Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 protein powders in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading protein powder that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Dymatize Elite 100% Whey Protein Powder, Gourmet Vanilla Flavor. With premium quality, this powder is designed to optimize your muscle recovery and fitness journey. Dymatize Elite provides 25 g of protein per serving to boost muscle growth. Its scientifically formulated whey ensures quick absorption and digestion for efficient post-workout recovery. Loaded with 5.5 g BCAAs and 2.7 g L-leucine per serving, it aids in muscle repair, synthesis, and promotes strength and stamina for an active lifestyle. With less than 140 calories, 2 g carbs, and 3 g fat, it's a guilt-free option. Gluten-free and low sugar make it suitable for diverse dietary needs. Gourmet vanilla flavor is ideal for shakes or recipes like smoothies and pancakes. Customize it to fit your daily nutritional plan seamlessly. In conclusion, Dymatize Elite 100% Whey Protein Powder combines flavor, nutrition, and results. Don't wait, fuel your fitness goals today. Number 4. The Isopure Low Carb 100% Pure Whey Isolate Protein Powder in Dutch Chocolate Flavor. A tasty, versatile, and clean protein choice for everyone. With 25 g of whey protein isolate per serving, it's perfect for muscle building and recovery. Ideal for both active lifestyles and daily protein needs. This powder is low carb with 0 g sugar, lactose-free, and gluten-free. It's a clean option to meet your fitness goals without unnecessary additives. The Dutch chocolate flavor ensures a creamy, indulgent taste. Mix with water or your favorite drink for a satisfying treat. Perfect in shakes or recipes like muffins and pancakes. It blends seamlessly, supporting a variety of meal plans, including keto. In conclusion, Isopure Dutch Chocolate Protein Powder combines taste and nutrition. A must-try for fitness and health enthusiasts. Number 3. The Premier Protein Powder in Vanilla Milkshake Flavor. This protein powder promises both indulgent taste and excellent nutrition for a healthier, happier you. With 30 g of protein per serving, it fuels your muscles and curbs hunger. Sourced entirely from 100% whey protein, it's crafted to enhance muscle growth and repair. Containing just 1 g sugar, 3 g carbs, and 150 calories, Premier Protein Powder keeps it lean. Plus, it's keto-friendly, soy-free, gluten-free, and perfect for various lifestyles. Mix it with water or milk for a creamy shake. Enhance smoothies, pancakes, or baked goods, its versatility fits effortlessly into your meal prep routine. The vanilla milkshake flavor delivers a rich, smooth, ice cream-like taste. It's more than just nutrition, it's a treat you'll genuinely enjoy. In conclusion, Premier Protein Powder is a delicious, guilt-free, and nutritious choice for your fitness goals. Number 2. The Optimum Nutrition Platinum Hydrowhey Protein Powder, Turbo Chocolate Flavor. A top-tier protein choice for athletes and fitness fans alike. With 100% hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, Platinum Hydrowhey offers 30 g of high-quality protein per serving. Perfect for muscle recovery and building lean strength after intense workouts. Platinum Hydrowhey includes 15.5 g of essential amino acids and 8.8 g of BCAAs per serving, ensuring rapid recovery and support for your active lifestyle. Turbo chocolate flavor complements shakes or recipes. Whether you're aiming for gains or maintaining fitness, this protein suits every fitness journey. Hydrolyzed isolate ensures quicker absorption and is gentle on the stomach. Free from excess lactose, it's a clean option for those seeking premium nutrition. In conclusion, Optimum Nutrition Platinum Hydrowhey delivers on quality, taste, and results. Turbo chocolate truly satisfies. Number 1. The Dymatize ISO 100 Whey Protein Powder, the ultimate choice for fitness enthusiasts. With premium quality and versatile flavors, this protein packs a punch. Dymatize ISO 100 boasts hydrolyzed whey isolate for faster absorption. Each serving delivers 25 g of protein, promoting muscle growth and recovery after those intense workout sessions. Filtered for maximum purity, ISO 100 is lactose-free, gluten-free, and low in carbs. Say goodbye to unnecessary additives. This product helps you focus on your fitness goals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, ISO 100 is designed for all fitness journeys. It's also great as a meal replacement or post-workout refreshment. Mix with water or milk, or add to recipes like pancakes and smoothies. The vanilla flavor guarantees a creamy and satisfying treat every time. In conclusion, Dymatize ISO 100 Whey Protein Powder is a game changer. Give it a try to fuel your fitness journey and achieve your goals. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.